What is a user persona in startup product feedback? Imagine trying to build a product without knowing who will actually use it. It's like throwing darts in the dark. That's where a user persona comes in. It's a detailed profile that shows who your typical users are. It's not just guesswork. It's based on real data about how users behave, what they need, and what problems they face. Creating a user persona starts with gathering facts. You look at your current users or potential customers. You find out what they want to achieve with your product. What motivates them? What frustrates them? You also collect details like their age, job, industry, or location. Then you combine all this into a clear picture of a typical user. This helps everyone on your team understand who they are designing for. In the world of startup product feedback, user personas are like a compass. They guide decisions about what features to build or improve. Instead of guessing what users want, you focus on real needs. When you get feedback, you can interpret it through the lens of your personas. If a user says a feature is confusing, you can check if that user matches a particular persona's traits. This keeps your product development on track. User personas usually include what users want to do with your product, how they behave when using it, and what problems they encounter. For example, a persona might be a busy professional who uses your app during lunch breaks. They want quick, easy solutions. Or it could be a student who uses your platform late at night and needs simple navigation. You also note their demographics and the context in which they use your product. Startups often create several personas to cover different user groups. Maybe one is a tech-savvy early adopter, and another is a cautious first-time user. By understanding each group, you can tailor your product and marketing to meet their specific needs. This segmentation makes feedback more meaningful. If you know a certain group struggles with a feature, you can focus on fixing that issue first. Using user personas helps prioritize what to develop next. If many users in a persona complain about a particular pain point, fixing it becomes a top priority. It also helps craft marketing messages that speak directly to what users care about. When onboarding new users, you can customize the experience based on their persona, making it more relevant and engaging. Keeping your personas updated is important. As your product grows and your user base changes, so should your profiles. This way, your team stays aligned with who your real users are. It prevents wasting time on features that don't matter or missing out on opportunities to serve your core users better. In short, a user persona is a research-backed profile of your key user segments. It helps you make smarter product choices, interpret feedback accurately, and grow your startup by focusing on what your users truly need.